Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Cadillac Srx. First, always make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Next, take your key and insert it completely into the ignition cylinder. You should feel it click into place, indicating it's properly seated. This ensures a smooth and successful start every time you get behind the wheel. Once your key is in, you'll encounter different ignition positions. Turning the key one click clockwise puts it in the ACK position, powering accessories like the radio. A second click brings you to the ON position, illuminating your dashboard warning lights. Take a moment to observe these lights. They should cycle on and then off, indicating system checks are complete. Now for the main event, starting the engine. From the ON position, turn the key firmly clockwise to the start position. You'll hear the engine crank. Hold the key in this position only until the engine fully engages and begins running. As soon as the engine starts, release the key, and it will spring back to the ON position automatically. Congratulations, your Cadillac Srx is now running. After starting, quickly check your dashboard to ensure no persistent warning lights are illuminated. It's a good practice to let the engine run for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, especially in colder weather, allowing fluids to circulate. Confirm all systems, like your lights and radio, are working as expected before you begin your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.